Assalamu alaikum. Today is Friday, so I bathing in the morning. Then I got out with uncle to see his pet pigeon. Pigeons are so beautiful to look at because there are different varieties of pigeons. Sadly, I don't know the pigeons varieties. The pigeon egg so cute. Then I go to market because I will cook the beef. First buy the necessary thing from market. Then I buy also beef from butcher shop. Then I come back to my home and wash the rice and fire the cooker. Then prepared everything to cook the beef. No more today. Goodbye.